Hi, Bob.
Hi.
Say hi to the viewers.
Naka-ano ka? Naka-video ka?
Steven, say hi.
Ako kanina, inuutosan mo ako, nakabitch. Okay guys, so, wala nasaan ka, Chog?
Eh?
Nauuna. Okay, so, Bewa, hagdan na talaga yun. Whoever gets first to this obby wins.
Okay.
I'm first. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my god!
No one cannot
Yes, I mean the first leg. You can see me in my other video, guys. So yeah,
Wala.
I'm here.
Hey!
Wait, I'll wait for you again. Dito, Chog. Here.
Okay.
Okay. Take the hard one. I'll take the easy one.
Isuda. Don't press the button. Thank
No,
you.
they won't. I almost fell. I'm in the lead, guys. Don't.
If you guys,
Okay.
guys, don't comment 6-7.
6-7 and a Merry Christmas.
is live.
Hi guys. So, di pa kami nagla-live kasi pinag-iisipan pa namin. Yun na.
I don't know how to live yet.
See? I just know how to vlog.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Kaya nga.
Nauunahan
You
ko.
said the bed is...
Ano, dyan ka na? Grabe, nandyan ka na pala.
Saan ka?
Dito sa taas.
Tsaka ginaganon mo.
Chog! You're behind me, right? Chog.
Yes, I know. And don't reveal my... Don't scream.
Si Ben, sabi sleeping.
Don't
Somebody's
scream. My
lagging.
ears hurt.
The funny. Huh? I died. Let's restart. One again.
Ah! Don't scream.
Sorry. Here, Chog, here. These are easy. You know, Chog, look at me. Easy. That was the last, and if I fall again, I won't.
You gonna leave?
Uy, Chog, nasa likod ko yun. Hi, si Kea.
Ayun na ba?
Ano bro?
Marunong ako dyan kaso nga lang. Hilip ako eh.
Okay.
Rutina, bakit ka nag-hit? Sa chat.
Last time, we were playing.
Hindi mo yun trip. Sabihin mo
Guys,
sa
this is gonna
tao.
be a roast battle. So, stay tuned.
Ah! Ah! Don't scream!
Oh, you can. You only have one chance, so I'll wait for you here.
No.
Lonely, I see you. I'm Mr. Lonely. Nobody loves me.
Go!
My mama
Huwag
now.
yung mahuhulog dyan daw. Dahil kay Ate Joss at saka kay Ate Joy. Ay, din si Ate Joy.
Okay.
Di ba, Ate Joy, naalala mo ano?
Ano?
Tayo tatlo. Naglalaro tayo ng Slap Tower. Slap Tower 11. Ano, enroll ako ni Ate Jassy. Di ba, ako to. Ako to, siya to. Di ba, meron invisible. Kung nagkakaroon ako, bigla akong nakukulit.
Rolling other people. Di pa. I'm almost there.
Gusto mo
Oh no.
Uy, nabul na ako ni Ate Jassy sa gaya. Gumating siya. Natakot na ako.
Okay, hi Chog. Look at your right. Look, ay, malapit ka na. Malapit ka pa na pala. Ang bilis mo naman.
Hurry up! Mabilis ako kay Ate Chug eh.
Oh my gosh! Oh my
They tried to troll me. Don't.
I fell.
You have one. Don't. Be serious right now, bro.
I wish you fall. I got
Bye-bye,
to
girl.
restart.
You fall?
Lol.
You just fall? How did you? I'll wait for you.
Okay.
I'll slap her. No worries. You slap me, okay?
Mago.
If you slap me, I slap you. If you slap me, I slap you. Okay? Say
I'm on
hi
the
to the
pink.
viewers.
Look.
Louder.
I'm on the pink one.
Okay.
I'm on the pink one. Look. Look down.
Okay, the first ko ba? Control mo, Tina.
Don't fall.
Ay, pang-hardware, bumili ka ng isang kilong simento. Isang kilong simento. Yan, basta, isang kilo. Isang kilo lang ito sa plastic lang yun.
Bumili ka sa, dito sa hardware, samahan nyo nga.
Alam mo, isang
Apa.
kilong bigas?
Samahan nyo bumili. Naglalaro kasi siya.
Oh, no!
Ano bibili mo?
Steven!
1 kilo? Semento. Semento ba? Semento? Isang Saan ba? Wala. Wala. Ano kay Tina? Hindi ko alam eh.
Oh! Steve! How do you do that? Ay, nako. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Don't do that again, please. It's okay. It's okay. Oh no! I stopped. It's okay, Stevie. It's okay. Don't be sad. It's okay to fail at show. Oh my own. Wait, I'm gonna respond. Hey, I'm gonna respond. Yes, Atikina's there. Let's go. Steve. Atina na. Asika na on. Ano. Don't fail, please. Up, no. Don't allow this, ah. Eh? Ay, nako. Snaps. No! Ate Kina! Ate Kina! Wala I don't. Oo,
Ay, shucks.
Diba?
Sorry, guys. We were AFP, so...
Si Steven, nilaglag yung avatar ni Ate Cho. Kaya binalik ko lang sa taas. Nilaglag ni Steven.
I'm almost...
Sobrang hard na kay Ate Cho eh.
Ay.
Oo. Lalo ka na ikaw, lagyan ko ng umpag.
Thank you, Tina.
Welcome.
Isasama kita sa next vlog namin.
Thank you. Basta naka-call.
Ha?
Call. Pwede
Tapos punta ka dito bukas, Chuga.
Yes, sir.
Part 2. Guys, we're gonna open a part 2 tomorrow, so stay tuned.
Nakala ko sinakbaba.
Thank you, my
Pag wala ako dito pag kayo ko dito. Stop kayo ng mga flowers. Sabi na, di ba, ang bilis tumakbo ni Ate Kina eh.
Oh, almost
Ate
na.
Choco, ano ako nagtapos niyan eh. Eh?
Dito na ako sa
Thank
purple.
you. Bad ka. Oo, ito po. Yung Ate Kina.
Just simply walk around it. Ay,
Oo
wag na lang
nga,
pala.
eh.
Just jump around it. Just jump around
You
it.
simply walk around it.
Ako?
You simply, parang naglalagay ka konti, parang nahuhulog ka.
I don't want that. Don't leave me. I want you here with me. I know that the love is gone.
Paano ka hindi matroll? Ay, naku, nitroll nga. Natroll nga.
I'm sorry. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Don't leave
Wait
me.
lang nga, teleport nga ako. Lonely. Hala, tinatroll tayo. Wait lang. Mag-respond ako. Tinatroll kami ng lalaki. Pero yung baba, pero yung babae tsaka lalaki para mag-friends.
Ah, daily latest. Oh my gosh. One shot and you're killed. One shot. Huh? What? Ah, just simply jump around it. Just simply jump around it. Bro. No. Just go.
Ay! Diba? Sabi ko sa'yo mabilis ako dyan
Ha?
Mabilis.
Di pa.
Party.
Patay na ako.
Bro!
Okay, guys. That's it for today. Bye.
Sinayang mo yung time ko.
Ayun, guys. Mapush.